Hey everybody, here is the desk. It is a very long desk. I think I have it at 55 inches. You have your outlets up here with your USB and your USB-C. Overall, the desk was really easy to put together. It is very heavy, so it's going to be very sturdy, supporting 2-3 monitors, a laptop, a printer, whatever you need. The base is metal, and it's got a very long extension cord to get to the outlet that you need it to attach to.
Badass. It's very sturdy. The plugs are back here, but you can't see that.